Chilli paneer is a popular Indo-Chinese dish made with paneer. It is often served as an appetizer or side dish in Indian restaurants and is a favorite among vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. You will need sunflower oil, crushed chilies, chopped tomatoes, a red onion, bell peppers, Thai sweet chili, light soy sauce, and finally the paneer. First start by chopping the bell peppers into small chunks. Finally chop your onion. Then cut the paneer into small cubes. And now on a medium heat, add 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. Let it simmer until the tomatoes soften. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of chilies. Stir well and simmer for 5 minutes. Once you have left it simmering for 5 minutes, add your chopped onions and peppers. Mix it well and make sure that everything is coated with the sauce. Then cook it for 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables have cooked through. Once cooked, add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add your chili sauce. And if you want it spicier at this point, you can add some normal chili sauce to give it a bit more of a kick. Put the paneer into the mix and combine everything together and make sure everything is thoroughly covered and mixed well. Cook until the paneer has softened, and now your dish is ready to serve either as a side dish or as a starter.